Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX crypto in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit my 2k subscriber. Please help me to hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Tron TRX crypto and a cryptocurrencies markets. What changes occur in a crypto? Oh my god, I'm really sorry for this, but it's a reality. Be alert, be alert. As you can see here, the falling of TRX crypto starts in a previous 2 hour continuously falling down TRX crypto. As you can see on the graph, the changes is negative 1.4% occur in the TRX crypto, and the high price of TRX crypto is a dollar 0.065316 dollar is the current high price of last 2 hour of TRX crypto. So it's the best time to sell it and save from loss. As you can see here, now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. Oh my god, as you can see, it's also in a fall. It's a dumping time, it's a bad time of TRX holders. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality. As you can see here, the changes is a negative 0.64% occur in a TRX crypto, and the high price of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour is dollar 0.064599 dollar is the high price in the previous 2 hour for TRX crypto. Now the current price of TRX crypto is now at dollar 0.064139 dollar is the current price of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about TRX crypto.